Complete pump kit. Includes a 7.5 pump with flexible extension hose, inflation needles and inflation gauge along with a carrying case to keep all components organized. Inflation gauge. The heavy-duty pressure gauge measures psi to make sure you are inflating to the perfect pressure. Needles included. Includes 3 needles for pumping up all sizes of soccer balls, footballs, basketballs, playground balls and other inflatables. This pump is not recommended as a bicycle tire pump. Emergency ball maintenance. Keep this ball maintenance kit in your bag so the game never goes flat. Ensure that the proper air pressure meets your game day requirements. Comes with a convenient carry case to bring with you wherever you go. Easy to use. Pump up deflated sports balls quickly and easily, so you or your players can get back into the game. Don't let a deflated ball ruin your play. Keep your sports balls inflated and ready to play with Franklin Sports Ball Pump Kit. Nothing is worse than a flat basketball or soccer ball when you're ready to get the game started. But with this complete hand pump kit, you'll have everything you need to keep your sports balls inflated for optimal play. This set comes complete with 7.5 hand pump, inflation needles, flexible hose, air pressure gauge, and carry bag to make it easy to bring on the go. Don't let your game fall flat. Bring home one of Franklin Sports Ball Pump Kits today and bring the bounce back. Top reviews from the United States. My second set, worth every penny. I am a youth athletics coach in multiple sports: soccer, football, basketball, baseball, softball, lacrosse and volleyball. I've got 3 kids and they all love their sports. That said, this is my second time around purchasing this set because I lost my first pump. I've inflated hundreds of balls of all types using this set, and I love that this set comes with a pressure gauge. Just in case some idiot coach tries to argue a ball is too soft or hard, pull out the gauge and most referees tell the other guy to pipe down, especially since regulation pressure is on most balls by the hole these days. Anyway, this little pump is almost entirely perfect with one noticeable drawback: with time. You will need to exert some effort and control when pumping. With time, the pumping handle comes a bit loose, requiring you to maintain a straight pumping motion, or you may end up breaking the handle off. For me, not a big deal. I just pay attention and pump in a straight motion and it works great. For guys like me that coach youth teams, at the start of the season when all the kids' balls need to be pumped at once, this thing will get hot to the touch as you get past the 5th or 6th ball, so be ready for that. Also, I recommend you keep a small vial of Vaseline nearby to keep needles moist, or you will kill your balls in one season. There's a small storage compartment built into the handle so you can keep a spare needle, just in case a kid happens to bend it when you're not looking. Final note. As you pump, pressure does increase to the point that an adult will exert effort and a kid may not be able to get their ball up to full inflation, so be ready for that too. This thing lasts a really long time. My first one was with me 6 years and still going strong before it disappeared.